Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to fix Roblox lag on iPhone. So if you're enjoying the content so far, consider hitting the subscribe and the like, and let's go ahead and dive in. The first thing you need to do is go ahead and open the settings by clicking the icon of the Roblox on the top left. Then go into the settings, then look for graphics mode and graphics quality. By default, it will be set to automatic. So go ahead and make it manual by clicking the left or the right arrow on it, and then adjust the graphics quality according to your preference. If you're experiencing extreme lag, consider making it the lowest. Another bad factor that might cause lag in the game is when you have any applications that is going on in the background, whether you have an iPhone or a Samsung, you should definitely close any applications because it uses up a lot of memory, which the game needs in order to function. So if you're using iPhone, go ahead and swipe up in the middle and just close any applications by swiping up on each of them, and you're good to go. Next, it's very important to play on a high battery percentage. So if your battery percentage is low, you should definitely charge your phone. So go ahead and check it. Mine's 70% right now, so that's very good. If it's below 30% or so, you should charge it and play when it's charged. Next, you should switch off the low power mode if it's switched on your iPhone. To do that, go ahead and go to the settings, then scroll down to battery. It should be the second one from the top. If it's switched on, go ahead and switch it off, just like that. And last but not least, if nothing worked so far, go ahead and restart your iPhone. To do so, you should hold the volume up button along with the power button and go ahead and slide the slider at the top and switch it on again. And finally, if you're still experiencing lag in Roblox, go ahead and clear up some storage. To check your storage, go ahead and open the settings once again and scroll down to General, then iPhone storage, and check your storage. As you can see, my storage level is very low, so it's optimum for playing Roblox. That's it. Thank you for watching.